I'll test these two OneBlade bodies. This is weaker, this is stronger. Now this other one. Is this really stronger? I think it's stronger. The body is stronger. It's faster. Let's try this one here. Same blade. Let's try the other side here. Definitely, this is stronger than this one. It's quieter, but it's weaker. I'll finish with this one. Much stronger. However, the body does this curve, which in this one, it's not so heavier, better, rubber. It's very good. I'll finish it in a bigger mirror. When you hold here, you can feel this is much faster, much stronger. So, two types of OneBlade. This is stronger, and for sure the battery should last longer too.